It's a cartoon.
Bright Suns, ETT Squad. We're here at Hollywood Studios. We're going to take you on another adventure. We're going to walk around and we're going to go to Planet Batu because Grogu, he loves Planet Batu. You want to go see what Kylo's doing? Let's go. This is crazy. This week is madness. Check behind me. 80 minutes for Slinky Dog. 80 minutes. It comes all the way around here by Little Mermaid. So crazy. It's like miles long. We'll show you right now. Let's check it out. Look at the line. Can you imagine being in that line? Grogu, can you imagine being in that long line? It's crazy. We're not going to go on the ride today. We're going to go on the Millennium Falcon. Hopefully we can go. Let's go. You're excited, aren't you? Yes, you are. Look at the line. Look at this. Look at the line on the left. Toy Story Mania. The line goes all the way back here. Check this out. It's crazy today. And then Slinky Dog on the right side. That line is super long. No rides in Toy Story Land. No rides today. No Slinky Dog today. No Toy Story Mania. Oh, and actually, ETT Squad, you'll be seeing that video very, very soon, right? I know, it's a long, long line. Yeah. It'll be interesting to see what Kylo's up to. You want to train with Kylo Ren? You want to train your Jedi powers with Kylo? Let me guess, Millennium Falcon's going to have a long line. Now this is the wait time for the Millennium Falcon. 70 minutes, whoa. At least you're not in Toy Story Land.
We're not quite yet.
Yeah.
We'll be getting there soon.
It's not bad.
We're not crossing universities right now.
No?
Of course.
We shall see. Let's go inside. Let's go see if we see Kylo. Chewie's there. Let's go check. There's Chewie. Chewie. Look at Chewie. Let's go over here, Nolly. He's always wanting some snacky snacks. Wow! You see snacky snacks? Oh, he's like seeing so many. He's exploring right now. Look at that. Blue milk, green milk. All types of milks for Grogu. No eggs for you.
We see them now. Copy that.
Hey, you ready to go? That's how tall they're supposed to be.
No, Google how tall is the guy.
Yeah, how tall is it?
It's a cartoon. You can't make it out of real life.
I grew up with Star Wars. Me and my brothers used to play the games.
How long have you been here?
1 day.
1 day? So, have you seen anybody around here tampering with a toolbox? Yeah. Anybody? Yeah. Probably with an all-white suit on, maybe a bucket on their head? Yeah. You did? Did you take a toolbox? Yeah. You didn't stop this. Why not?
This concludes your journey aboard the Disney Skyliner. All passengers must disembark at this station. Return service is available. Thank you. We hope you enjoyed the most magical flight on
Oh, no,
Earth.
wait, the wall's over there. Never mind. They still have the wall up.
Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us. Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que